Hey, YouTube people. Today I want to try something new and see if it works with you. All right, we're going to go to this public load board. The whole idea here is that I want to get through 400 loads without having to go through every single page. All right, I'm going to go to print. It takes a little bit, but instead of printing it, I'm going to save it as a PDF, save it to the computer. Have a little patience. The three dots are going. It might take a little bit. It might be like 30 pages long, but it's still going to go through all those loads to my specifications a lot faster than I can click through all those pages for, say, more than one truck. Don't mind the little noises in the background. I got two minions running around, but I really want to share this with you, hoping that it helps you out in your business because it's saving me a lot of time and I have more time to be with my family, and I think that's an awesome exchange. All right, here we go. Saved it anywhere on my computer. I tried it once before, but I'll do it one more time. All right. Say I looked for it on the computer, put it on this AI, and asked, could you sort through this table list for a load that has an origin of Florida and pays at minimum $2 per mile? Okay, awesome. So this time it gave me this response. It's five different loads, right? But the last time it gave me only two. So in the span of a few minutes, I had this much more access to moving my truck because I've used this free AI tool. Subscribe, like, leave me a comment. Let me know if this information was helpful to you, and I hope you have a great day.